The first 10 days of the Hijjah, for those who are not going to perform Hajj, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that these days are the best days of the year, and doing good deeds in it is the best, and nothing would surpass doing good deeds in it except for a man who goes out of his home with his wealth to fight in the cause of Allah, and he dies as a martyr, and his wealth is gone, and he comes back with nothing. He's dead, martyred, but his wealth is also spent in the cause of Allah. So this is the ultimate. So doing good deeds cannot reach that level, but it is better than any other thing, such as fasting, which the Prophet used to do, alayhi salatu wasalam, in the first 9 days of the Hijjah, such as giving charity, such as helping others, reading the Quran, doing Zikr. Part of the Zikr is what we call a Dhikrul Mutlaq, the expanded Zikr. So in these 10 days, it is recommended to say Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Lillahi alhamd throughout the day and night, not limiting it to after Fard prayer. So we say this and say it hundreds of times, and our tongues are moist with saying this dhikr. If you would like to add Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, that's fine. But the prescribed dhikr is as I mentioned. Now, on the 9th, the Fajr of the 9th of the Hijjah, which is the Fajr of Arafah, till before the sunset of the 13th, or to be more accurate, till after Asr of the 13th of the Hijjah, these 4 days are known to be, or the 4 or 5 days, who's counting, known to be Takbir Muqayyad, where we say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Lillahi alhamd after Fard prayers. So in addition to throughout the whole day and night, we specifically say it after the 5 Fard prayers. Then we do our normal adhkar.